Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how I fold my bathroom towels. I'm going to show you the techniques, about 5 to 7 styles. Okay, I know I've not been active for the past 2 or 3 weeks, I believe, but I'm going through a lot of emotions, guys. I lost a very, very dear friend, and we are all devastated. It was a shock. So we still, we haven't recovered, but I know I have to come in here and just, give what I have. So without much ado, I just want to say, how you guys doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. Your week is off to an amazing start, okay? I am doing well by God's grace, and I'm telling you guys, life is short-lived. Live your life. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Life is short. It's really short. So I know I'm all over the place, but I'll gather myself and we'll get into this video. And if you are new here, I want to say a very big thank you for stopping by. And if you've already subscribed to the channel, my returning subscribers, I want to say I'm forever grateful to you all for always coming up to watch another video. I thank you so much. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. Thank you for coming. Okay guys, like I said earlier, I'm sharing with you all 7 creative ways to fold towels stylishly. It's a perfect way of turning any bathroom or shelves into a spa-like retreat. So whether you are prepping for guests or just love a polished look, these towel folding techniques are simple, elegant, and easy to recreate. So let's get into the first one. Okay, so with the first technique, I'm using a flat surface, and I'm laying this pretty decorative bath towel face down with the tag up. Folding the embroidered edge closest to me and bottom third up just enough so that the embroidery will be on the outside of the pocket. Now flip it over carefully so that the folds are underneath, okay? All right, now fold the towel into halves by tucking the right and the left fold like so, and you can secure the back with a safety pin, or you can just leave it like I did. Okay, so I followed the same process for the fingertip, which is the small towel. The same process with a bath towel. Okay, so now let's take it to the towel bar in the bathroom and hang it. Okay, now I'm folding this hand towel in thirds to insert the bottom part in the pocket of the bath towel, and I also added a fingertip on the top. this is how it's looking. So gorgeous, and I love it. So beautiful. I mean, you can't go wrong with white and gold combination. Pretty. I love them so much. Okay, so moving on with the second technique, I folded in half this brown towel lengthwise and rolled it, okay, just like you can see me do. And because we're going to sit them in the towel to give it some kind of weight and sturdiness later in the video.
I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go.
Okay, so using this pretty towel from Burlington, you are going to fold it in half lengthwise, okay? And we're going to drape it on the towel bar.
Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do.
And gently pinch the bottom center of the towel.
Something just like this ecstasy.
Secure it with a rubber band and give it a little fluff so it fans out and almost looking like a flower or a soft bloom.
Or somewhere in between. Oh, yeah.
And now we're going to place the rolled towel in the pocket of the towel we just pinched, okay?
You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel.
Also, I didn't want the middle of the towel bar to be bare, so I folded hand towel in thirds, a hand towel, and I just set it in the middle, okay?
Every night and every day.
And I'm going to embellish it with this gorgeous curtain tie back from my DazzlingDecor.us. This is such a subtle touch, but it instantly adds like a spa-like elegance to the space. So gorgeous. What do y'all think? This is so beautiful. In fact, if you want, you can just leave the middle part out and it still will look so beautiful. But I just didn't want it to look just so bare, okay? All right.
Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love.
Okay, moving along to the third technique. We are going to use this fingertip towels, laying the towel flat with the decorative edge face down with the tag showing, okay? I'm folding the sides inward just to form like a kite shape. And once I've got that nice point at the bottom, I just start rolling from the pointed end all the way up, just like so, like you can see me do, okay? And guys, this gives me a clean, elegant roll that's perfect for placing in a tray or a basket or beside the sink for your guests. It's such a simple detail, but it adds a boutique hotel inspired touch to the space. What do y'all think? All right, so let's take them all to the bathroom and style them. All right, let's go.
You were beautiful, just like a flower.
Oh yes, and look at how gorgeous, elegant they are all looking. They are blending beautifully, elegantly with the magnolia flowers. Breathtaking. I'm so in love. This indeed, it needs an award. So far, I'm loving all the technique, the folding technique we've done. So beautiful. It's going to need an award for this. Anyway, okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so coming in with the fourth technique, we are going to need a bath hand and fingertip towels, rubber bands, and safety pins, okay, to create a simple but elegant towel bow. Okay, so you will fold it in thirds like so, like how I'm doing, with the tag face up. We're going to lift both sides to overlap and then pinch it in the center to shape it like a bow. All right, we're going to secure with a rubber band.
While you were dreaming, you could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay.
After you are done with your securing with a rubber band, we're going to neatly fold a black fingertip towel to wrap it. You can decide which color you want. I just wanted a black contrast, and wrap it around the middle to secure the shape,
Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or
and into the towel bar we go. So with this look, we're going to fold the bath towel in thirds lengthwise and hang it on the bar like so.
oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough.
And to finish, I'm adding the bow we just created right in the center of the towel. And this is such a cute, easy way to dress things up. And the contrast, between the crisp white towel and the bow makes it feel polished and intentional, making the space feel a little bit more special. And I decided to set this gorgeous tie back on top of the bath towels. I haven't had enough of those gorgeous tie back. I love them so much. And look at how beautiful it's looking, guys. So beautiful. Also, guys, if you have watched up to this time, please help me get to this 1,000 subscriber mark. We are just a few people away to 1,000 subscribers. So please, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and help my channel. It helps it a lot, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. Like the video, comment, okay? All right, thank you, and let's move on to the next one. Okay, with the fit folding technique, we are going to need bath towels. So I'm using this white bath towels and folding in half like so. I'm folding one side toward the center and the other over it, so you have it long and narrow. Okay, so you're going to flip it over and just start folding from the pointed end all the way up, and voila, here you go. We're going to do the same for the rest of the bath towels. And you can sit them in a basket like I'm doing mine, or your floating shelves, or in your linen closet. Beautiful fold. I love it. I love them. Just sticking a little flower in the middle. And so easily we've created our fifth bath folding technique. I believe it's the fifth number 5. All right, so moving along with the sit folding technique, we are creating a pocket and setting a pleated fan in it. So you're going to need a hand towel and fingertip. Folding the hand towel with tag up and decorative edge face down. You're going to fold the embroidered part closest to you. You're going to flip it over and carefully pick the right and tuck into the left fold. And you can secure it with safety or bobby pins. Okay, but I'm not using any for mine. Now let's flip it over and set it aside. Okay, so now let's create the pleated fan with this black fingertip towel. So on the table with a short edge closest to me, I'm creating my pleat from the bottom edge, making like an accordion style folds, okay, about an inch wide. We're going to go all the way to the top, keeping the pleats as even as possible as we can. And when we get the pleat, we're going to pinch the towel at the center, then fold it in half with pleats facing outward, so the bottom becomes the base and the top flares out like a fan. Let's sit it in the pocket. Okay, now slip it in the pocket and straighten the top to flare out like a fan. And there you have it, guys. We made this beautiful fan in a pocket towel. I love it. It looks beautiful in the bathroom.
Somewhere in between. Oh, yeah. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out.
All right, so now we're going to go to the final folding technique, which is the number 7. And with this technique, we're going to need a hand towel, and we will fold into a lovely heart shape, and it'd be great for great or perfect for Valentine's Day, a romantic setting, or just adding a little love to your guest bathroom. So let's get into it. So laying your hand towel flat and fold it in half. Okay, so you're going to pick the left and right at the right edges at the same time and bring them toward the center, almost like you're starting a paper airplane. Okay, now you're going to tuck each side inward like so, shaping the edges and slightly tacking them the corners and rounding them out to look like the curved base of a heart. And there you have it, guys. This is our heart-shaped towel using a simple hand towel. It's charming, easy, and it adds that extra special I care touch to any space. And that's all for today, guys. Our 7 easy and elegant towel folding techniques that will turn the everyday into something truly special. And whether you are styling your guest bathroom, preparing a romantic setup, or simple elevating your own self-care space, these folds, guys, will add that perfect touch of charm and luxury. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, these ideas, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already for more home styling inspiration. And let me know in the comment section below which one you plan to try first. And as always, thanks so much for always stopping by to watch another video. And I thank you all for understanding me staying away for some few weeks because of the emotions that I was going through. I appreciate you all so much. And until I come your way next time, always remember, guys, you know what I'm about to say, that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all always, and bye-bye.